What if I told you that someone earning $200,000 a year can still be living paycheck to paycheck, while someone earning just $70,000 could quietly become a millionaire? It sounds impossible, but it's happening every single day in America. Because becoming rich isn't about how much money you make, it's about what happens after you get paid. Today, we're exposing the real reasons why so many high-income Americans stay broke and how the wealthy play a completely different game. Most people believe that if they can just earn a six-figure salary, they'll finally become rich. But the truth is, a high salary doesn't guarantee wealth. It simply gives you the ability to spend more. Imagine two people, one earns $60,000 a year while the other earns $200,000. At first glance, the higher earner appears much richer, but what if that person spends nearly every dollar they earn? They buy a luxury apartment, drive an expensive SUV, wear designer clothes, take lavish vacations, and finance almost everything. By the end of each month, their bank account is almost empty. Their income is high, but their wealth is practically zero. One of the biggest reasons this happens is something called lifestyle inflation. Every time people receive a raise, they immediately increase their spending. A bigger paycheck leads to a bigger house, a newer car, more expensive restaurants, more shopping, more subscriptions. Instead of investing the extra income, they upgrade their lifestyle. The more they earn, the more they spend. Their happiness doesn't increase much, but their monthly expenses grow rapidly. They look richer from the outside, yet financially they're standing in the exact same place. Another major problem is debt. In America, borrowing money has become incredibly easy. Want new furniture? Finance it. Need a new phone? Finance it. Dreaming of a vacation? Put it on a credit card. Need a new car? Take out another loan. The issue isn't borrowing itself. The problem is paying high interest for years. Every dollar spent on interest is a dollar that could have been invested. Instead of building wealth, people spend years making banks richer while their own financial future falls further behind. The wealthy think differently. Before they spend money, they ask one simple question: will this purchase make me money or will it cost me money? Most people buy liabilities, things that lose value and create more expenses. Wealthy people buy assets. They invest in stocks, index funds, businesses, and real estate that generate income over time. These investments continue working whether they're asleep, on vacation, or spending time with family. Average people work for money. Wealthy people make money work for them. Here's something that surprises many people. Most millionaires don't actually look rich. They don't drive the newest luxury cars. They don't buy expensive designer clothes every month. They don't feel the need to impress strangers. Instead, they quietly invest year after year. They allow compound interest to do the heavy lifting. While others chase status symbols, they chase financial freedom. They understand that real wealth isn't about looking successful. It's about having choices, security, and peace of mind. So, how do you escape this trap? It starts with a few simple habits. Spend less than you earn, no matter how much money you make. Avoid high-interest debt whenever possible. Invest consistently every single month, even if the amount is small. Build multiple sources of income instead of relying on just one paycheck. And most importantly, think long-term. Wealth isn't created overnight. It's built through years of smart decisions and consistent investing. At the end of the day, your salary does not determine your wealth, your financial habits do. The goal isn't to look rich. The goal is to become financially free. Remember, it's not about how much money comes into your bank account. It's about how much you keep, how wisely you invest it, and how patiently you let it grow over time. If you enjoyed this video and learned something valuable, make sure to like, subscribe to *** Hidden Money. Truth ***.